Starting by getting settled, whether you're sitting on a chair, the ground, a cushion, laying down, standing up. Wherever you're at today, take a moment to just settle into your body, into the space around you, and close your eyes if that feels comfortable. And see if, with taking away your sight, can you just feel into the space? Maybe giving yourself a few longer, deeper breaths as you welcome yourself deeper and more connected into your body. If you note this feeling strange, impossible possibly, just note that and be where you are. Maybe paying attention to whether you feel open or whether you feel more closed today. Not needing one or the other to be true, but feeling it important to know, to watch and observe. And as you take your attention, maybe scan through your body. You could start at your toes, working your way up, maybe from your head all the way down, from your outside appendages all the way in. Just in order to be aware, to have paying attention, to remember that it exists and that it is you. And as you take in your body, note how any emotions you feel, difficult events you experience, that your body is a part of these experiences. What you feel, what you think about feeling, is expressed through your body. You're not sad without your body changing. You're not worried without your body changing. Anger, frustration, happiness, boredom, contentment. Constantly, your body fluctuates. Sometimes producing more and more of what we need, what benefits us. And other times, making too much of what we don't. With that in mind, sending a few more breaths, tracing them where you mean them to go in your body. What needs some extra oxygen, extra attention, extra removal of what it doesn't need? And if you notice your mind wander, if you notice yourself resisting, just note that. And bring yourself back. And can you think of times when emotions have swelled up in you and you've decided to just push them back down where they came from, or siphon them off, put them in a compartment and lock them away, throw them to the back of your mind? What is that visual or physical experience like for you? Can you even place what it is or where it is? And if you can, bring to mind what it feels like in a moment like that. Up comes the discomfort, or out or in. And what do you do, and how do you do it? Maybe you push it down, down, down. Maybe you've done that a number of times. Imagine just how many times that might be. And doing our best not to judge it, just to observe. And seeing if you can bring up one of those emotions. Can you watch it rise up, or pour out, or sneak in? What do you feel? Does your heart race? Your breath shallow? Palms sweat? And just use this moment to breathe through it, to breathe with it, knowing that you're safe, that you're here in this moment. Breathe and ground. Breathe and ground. And be here, right here, in this moment. This breath right here. This breath right here. And sit for a moment, watching the experience, feeling the experience, and tethering yourself to the present. And watch it rise in intensity like a wave, reach its top, crest, and come down the other side. Maybe this happens one time, maybe many times. Maybe it's too much and you need to lean out. And now, if possible, letting go of that emotion, experience, sensation, and allow yourself to feel your whole body. Maybe to imagine it lit up from within with a warm light. And notice this light begin to slowly pour out of you. And maybe as it goes, you watch these moments, these emotions, these feelings never felt. Watch them slowly trickle and then slightly more pour up and out. Maybe some come out through your fingers, your toes. Not a large gust, but a kind, soothing flow. And as it goes, you can watch. Can you feel yourself becoming lighter? Can you note there's a thought, there's a sensation, there's an emotion? That's what those are. Appreciating them trying to help you and letting them go out of you. How long have they been there? Who knows? Doesn't matter. As it leaves, can you feel things lighten? Can you take a breath and aim to relax a bit more? And if none of this is possible, just letting it be. Just noting that that is where you are in this moment. And choosing to sit in this way as long as you like, as long as you need. Or else imagining the light slowly closing, still keeping some within, but markedly lighter and less tense. Bringing the meditation to a close.